In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Start by launching Settings and tapping on Connections. Then choose Bluetooth on the left. And when you're ready, use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it. Then wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the one you want to connect to. Select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, after a few seconds, my devices were successfully connected. Now, to manage connection to any device, click on gear icon next to one of your paired ones and check out all of those options, including Unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!